I'm working on the long vowels of British pronunciation course. The first one is work, learn, hurt. Common situations, verb, early, hurt, bird, word. At the beginning of a word, early, earn, earth. In the middle of a word, go, bird, turn, firm, work, shirt, learn, dirty, Thursday, church. At the end of a word, her, sir, stir, fur. Then the most difficult one in the world, it is world, according to my teacher. Okay, next, the sentences. The girl is wearing a purple shirt. It looks good on her. I have worked in this position for 13 years. Last Thursday, I walked to work. After a while, my legs started to hurt. The world is also known as the earth. I go to the church early every day to learn.